Another ailment which we get many patients at Nirmay are the obese. By obesity we mean that a person is much more heavier than normally he should be. There are people who are just a little fat. That's not what we are talking about. We are talking about the obese. Like we had a person who was 5 feet 6 inches of height and he was 147 kgs. And this guy was warned by his doctor that he would end up with a heart attack if he did not reduce weight. Now he wanted the shortcut, so he went in to ask and find out details about this bariatric surgery or the liposuction. He got frightened when he heard stories about it, and someone told him about Jindal in Bangalore. He went there, but he was not admitted as above 130 kg. Jindal does not admit patients, as they are full of patients who are 100 kgs and less, so they don't take a risk. But they were nice enough to tell him that there is a center near Nirmay in Pune who may admit him, and he came to Pune. And when I met him, I just told him that he will have to be very truthful and honest and not eat anything but what we give him, and we then would assure him results. And in just 44 days he lost 25 kgs at our center. And another important factor which I think contributed to his getting better soon was we allowed every week his wife and children to come and stay with him for a day, which made a big difference to him. That's what he told us later when he lost 25 kgs. For the obesity patient at Nirmay, we have various therapies like the 14-jet underwater bath, hip bath, the immersion bath, various yogasanas, freehand exercises which we show him or her to do faithfully every day at home. Most important is strict diet which they have to follow, especially with regard to oil consumption. And then we have the other therapies like mud bath, mud pack, various massages. Then we have the vibro massage, which is very good to reduce inches, reduce the weight around the waist and hips, which is very difficult to get rid of. But finally, with all these therapies, we have found a person loses inches and loses weight, like happened with Mr. Chabra, who was one of our most successful cases, having lost 25 kgs at our center.